Hey, welcome to Satisfy Personal Finance, and today we're going to talk about how to pay your income taxes and earn some rewards on it. Now, we all have to pay tax every year, and come April is the time where we file for taxes, and then we have to make the painful payment of taxes. Right, so is there any way to get some rewards? Okay, the answer is yes, obviously, which is why I'm making this video. Right, according to IRA's website, they do not accept credit card payments because of the high cost charged by credit card companies. And so they encourage you to pay using gyro or other methods such as Pay Now QR. However, there are still ways to get card rewards from paying your income tax, and the first would be paying through AXS. Now, most cards have excluded AXS from rewards, and therefore your only option is to use our good old trusty GrabPay MasterCard and then top it up with either the Amex True Cashback card for 1.5% cashback or the UOB Absolute Cashback card for 1.7% cashback. Nothing new here, but if these are new to you, then yeah, you need to get these cards, top up your Grab card and then get the cashback on topping up, and then you use the credits within your Grab wallet to pay for your AXS transactions, which includes your income tax. So to pay for your income tax through AXS, go to AXS website, go to Pay Bills, General, IRS, and then select the tax you're paying for and enter your details. And then the amount, and after that you can select to pay either via Pay Now or via credit cards. And Grab actually supports both methods. And there, your contribution to nation building has been successfully completed. Now, using this method also allows you to use Google Pay to pay for your income tax and then get some scratch cards. But as we all know by now, the Google Pay scratch cards are quite pathetic. You usually don't get anything, or maybe like 10 or 20 cents. Yeah, so I think that is one option that is not really viable, but still worth paying maybe $5 every week just to try your luck. So if you don't really have either the Amex True Cashback card or the UOB Absolute Cashback card, head over to my site and sign up for some goodies and keep me providing more information and sharing more credit card tips like this. Hey, if you like my stuff, press the like button, and thank you for keeping my channel going. The second method to get rewards on your income tax payment would be to use payment services like CardUp to make your payment to IRAS. If you're new to the service, what happens is that you pay CardUp using your credit card, who charges you a small transaction fee, and then they will take the amount and transfer it to IRAS, and therefore your tax obligation is paid. And in return for the small service fee that you pay to CardUp, you earn whatever card rewards that your card provides, provided that it is not excluded within your credit card terms and conditions. Popular cards to use for this service includes UOB1, which gives up to 5% cashback provided you meet the monthly minimum spend per month for a quarter, and other cards like mile cards, which means you are essentially paying the service fee and then getting miles in return, which will make your business class tickets a lot cheaper than actually paying the ticket prices that you'll find on the airline website. For these services to make sense for you, the reward obtained must be greater than the service fee paid, and therefore we try to use promo codes to lower the service fees. And speaking of promo codes, if you're a new user, you can use my promo code SATISFY to get $30 off your first payment, and therefore that's free cashback or miles on your first transaction, as long as it's not too big a transaction. As I make this video, CardUp told me that they are still working on their income tax promo, so subscribe to my Telegram if you want promo codes relating to income tax payment. And in any case, if you are already a user of CardUp, you want to explore other payment methods, you can also see the description below. I have other payment services that can also help you get rewards on your income tax payment. Now, the best card to use for these services can change from time to time because terms and conditions sometimes change. There may be new cards coming up. So I will highly encourage you to subscribe to my Telegram and join the chat group so that you can be updated and discuss about the best card to use for these services. Now, the third method, and according to IRAS the most popular method, will be to pay your income tax via gyro. And this actually stretches out your tax payment to 12 months interest-free, and therefore improves cash flow, which is great. And then you pair it with either option 1 or option 2. So you get the best of both worlds. 1, you are stretching your income tax payment over a year. 2, you still get rewards with one of the above mentioned methods. However, do take note, if either method closes during the next year or so, then yeah, you'll be back to paying for your income tax via the good old gyro method of deducting money from your bank, no rewards given to you. Now, option 1 I think can be rather short-lived because Grab has actually closed AXS transactions before, and then they allowed it again. So who knows whether or not they will do it again if the volume of transactions on AXS grow too high. So if you go by the Gero method, take note that option 1 may not be always available. For option 2, I think this is something that's quite long-standing, and I think IRAS is more than happy to let these payment vendors offer their services as long as taxpayers pay on time. So I think if you are banking option 1, maybe Giro is not the best method, but if you are banking option 2, I think Giro will stretch out your income tax payment, and then you can use cards like UOB1, which require regular spending to achieve the best rewards for your income tax payment. So there you have it, ways to get rewards to minimize the pain from paying income tax. If you want to see ways to reduce your income tax payable for this year, go and look at my previous video on how to legally reduce your income tax payable. If you like this video, please remember to also leave a like and a comment if you can, and subscribe to my Telegram because the world of credit cards is always changing, and subscribing will let you get updated on all the constant changes that's always happening. And I'll see you next video.